Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to link Exness account to Metatrader5. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Open the Exness application. After you must have created your account and verified it, click on the plus icon at the top screen. Choose Standard Account and hit Continue. Select MT5. Select your preferred currency, leverage and enter nickname. Enter a strong password and click on Create Account. Click on the three dots which says Details. Tap on Settings. Scroll down and copy the login and server. Now open Metatrader5 app. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left. Tap on the plus icon or Manage Account. Tap the Add Account button at the top of the screen. Use the search button to search for the Exness server which you copied. Paste the login you copied and enter password. Click on Login and your account will be linked successfully. Once you deposit funds via Exness, they will reflect in the Metatrader5 app. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.